Welcome to Kalabera Forecasting. In my Tamil Chandai software, in MCL software, last 2 days I am explaining how to use MCL software for Forex market. So I choosing 4 pairs. Now look, last 2 days as per my levels, you look, except Monday one loss in GBP/USD that we reversed, that become profit yesterday. The day before, yesterday it came profit. Again you look, that is 1st September, all my 4 pairs are gave a profit, no one gave a loss, everything is a profit. You can check with these levels, all the levels 1.1963 triggered, it went minimum 200 to more than that also it made. I am looking 200 to 250 pips, so that target is reached. GBP/USD also 1.1337 hit, buy level trick, profit gave. So here it is not a sell level, but weekly sell level is triggered in GBP/USD, that exactly give a more than 200 pips profit. AUD/USD sell triggered, profit made. USD CAD buy triggered, profit made. So what else we need more than this? So now still we will look another 4 days also. Now I am going to give you 2nd September. Now one more thing, someone asked how you choose daily close, weekly close. I'm just collecting the data from investing.com. So there you look, we are getting, this is a last daily when you go to daily candles, you are getting the levels. So this is a daily close. So new candles opened right now. Right now you look Indian time, I will explain with, see now this is Google, I put Indian time. Now it's saying 6:12 a.m. morning, early morning 6:12 a.m. Go to the chart. Here we can get a partition 1 hour chart. I will put a 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart break even is there. I given a daily breaking point. 1 minute. So look, it's break. This is the starting of today's. So this is starting of yesterday. So here breakout is there. Just started. Now look, it is just started now. So 6 o'clock candle is the starting candle of the day as per Indian time. Here I given a standard now time, today right now time 6:12 a.m. okay, 2nd September, whatever the recording now that time. Okay, let us go to the levels, today's levels. Now look, Euro USD, still it is a neutral, 10 days neutral, weekly trend volatile, daily trend neutral. So 1.1881 MCL, so it is the buying point, and 1.1936, this is also buying point. 1.1854 is a sell for today. I mentioned here today 2nd September. So 1.1881 also buy, 1.1936 also buy, 1.1854 below only sell for Euro USD. GBP/USD, see that is also neutral trend. So neutral trend is neutral means buy level buy, sell level sell. But sell level 1 point, I mentioned sell level 1.13370 is a sell, and if you buy target is MCL, don't buy here. So 1.3457 is a sell. So that is also I mentioned 1.3457. Again if it reach, you can go sell. Buy only above 1.3486, 1.3486 above only buy. So GBP/USD every rise is a sell. Then AUD USD CAD. In USD CAD you look, it is also look, trend is still neutral. So MCL at sell level become a buy. 1.12, look, 1.129997 is a buy, 1.3054 also buy. So sell only 1.2968 below only sell for USD CAD. Then AUD USD, AUD is also still it is in neutral. Now look, but MCL at buy level. So buy level MCL means MCL become a sell. So 0.7397 also sell. Sell level as usual sell. So 0.7354 also sell. So buy only above 0.7418. So keep these levels for 2nd September. On time target achieved buy side means you finished. Then you do sell side. Stop loss triggered means immediately you have to do reverse trade. Okay, that's it. Just to follow these levels. If you have any doubts, just to take the screenshot of this, send it to my WhatsApp number. I will give the explanation how to do this. Okay, just to follow this. Another 2 days has to go. Let us see how the result is coming. Thank you.